Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this video I am going to tell you about World Environment Day and its importance. So listen carefully. World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June in order to encourage and as an initiative for worldwide protection of our environment and the growing strain on planet Earth. It's a global platform for a positive change. The day aims to create awareness among more individuals to take certain actions against the growing strain on Earth's natural ecosystem. Because a healthy ecosystem means a healthy livelihood. Dear students, World Environment Day is a reminder for us to pause and reflect on our actions and their consequences on our planet. World Environment Day was established by United Nations in 1972, and since then every year this day is hosted by the different countries. This day is celebrated by engaging governments, business, celebrities, and citizens all over globe to focus on their efforts on environmental issues. Earth is a home of different living organisms and species, and all of them are dependent on the environment for the food, water, air, and other needs. Environment plays an important role in healthy living and the existence of life on planet Earth. It initiates the stride to achieve a better tomorrow. Therefore, with everyone's help and one step at a time, people all over the globe can make good choices and work together towards sustaining the environment with the best conscious choices. Thank you so much.